Hello folks, Line Jenkins here. Hey, I'm going to show you something that's been going on in the line. And I don't know what it is because there's no tunnels. But I want you to check this out. Look at this. Look at these big giant piles. There's a hole right there. So that there's no tunnel underneath. Unless the tunnel is real deep. I don't know if these are moles, but look. These could be moles. Look. There's probably 60 to 70 of these things, and there's only one side. There's no tunnel. Unless the tunnel is really deep. So I'm guessing that I got a real serious colony of moles. So what I'm about to do is I'm going to set some traps and see if I can do something about this. First, I got to go change shoes. All right. What I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure that they have to tug on this. So I want this to be nice and lubricated. This, it won't go under. Something is not right. There we go. Okay. You need it to tug. You need them to tug on it. A little peanut butter. Some seed. This is just bird seed. And I'm going to press that down in there. So hopefully, seed, peanut butter, seed. Next thing is peanut butter. I'll put a little bit back here because I'm trying to get them to step on this and it goes off. Because some of these things are so small, their weight doesn't allow it to go off the right way. Now, same thing here. Need more peanut butter. I'm going to put peanut butter underneath on this part. Way up under there. Then peanut butter. Just a little bit on top to make the seeds stick. They love those seeds, whatever those things are. Because I have oil on here, you got to be real careful. I need this thing to be slippery. Hopefully, the smell of the oil won't make them go away. I don't think they'll be able to resist it, to be quite honest with you. Now this one, we needed to tug.
So we'll put
peanut butter underneath. And then a couple of seeds on top. Everything should have some peanut butter on it so that, okay. Now, put this seed on here. This is in case we have something big. Also gonna put a little bit on the lever. So, how about we put a little bit on here? Okay. I see. This isn't down. So let's move this back. That should be over top of that. See that? This one is kind of moving a little bit. So I'll take that, push this in. Okay, and one more. Same thing. Don't touch that. And never touch it on the end that'll clamp. So now, here's another one. I want the peanut butter to definitely be up under some of it. Not a lot. All right, so we're gonna go try to find some of these holes. We'll put a top over it, and we're gonna try to catch something. I'm gonna take you outside. So I see a hole right here. So there's a hole here and a hole there. Let's take a look, folks. Big chunks. And if we get another warm day, I'm gonna go over this with the mower. Look at it. I am not sure how that happened. One day we got plush, nice green grass, and the next day we have 50 to 60 big mounds. Look at this. Look at this edge. See that right there? All the way up. All the way up there. Coming down from right here. I did see this. There's 2 holes right here and a path. So they could be up under the shed or coming from the woods. Those are 2 giant acorn trees. So you're always going to have something around oaks that drop a lot of acorns. So I'm going to use these 3 bricks and put them over there on top. Okay, folks, we're going to see if that works. If that works, we'll set it again and again and again until we catch the mother lode of these things. I don't know where that came from, but we'll get to the bottom of it. Okay, folks, we're going to see. This is the next day. We're going to see if anything happened in the lawn. So let's check it out. I can see where I was blowing all those big lumps, but I'm looking for fresh, new, big mounds. I don't know if I see any more fresh, new, big mounds. I mean, they really tore this up. But the cool thing is, it's still December. It's 60 degrees today for some reason. I don't know. Is that one? Or did I just miss it? That might be one. All right. All of these craters, they'll fix by the time March gets here. So let's go over here. That hole was already there. I didn't do anything about that one. So let's check our traps. All right. These bricks off. How did a worm get right there? Oh. Nothing. And I did this. I gotta reset it. We're gonna move it a little bit closer so it doesn't hit. All right. Now, and this thing is alive. How did you get up there, worm? They're gonna eat you. Better get down there. Let's see this other side. All right. Oh, got one. Got one. Look at him. Oh, yeah. Is that what is making all of these holes and mounds? Come on, people. Is that it? What is that? Is that a shrew? Is that a... It's not a mole. I wouldn't say it's a field mouse, but it has big ears. But is that digging up my lawn like that? Oh. Okay, well. If If that's what it is, those are some destructive little critters. I would have never thought that something like that. Let's put this back on and see if we can leave this under here the rest of the day. That box is getting real compromised, you know what I'm saying?